Good morning, grade 7. Welcome to a new lesson for this quarter. This is Ma'am Aguilar, your English teacher for today. With the presence of the technology in this era, almost everything can be found in the internet. But do you know how to properly search for what you are looking for? Well, this lesson will help. For this is all about the use of search engines in guided research. In this lesson, you are expected to first, define search engine. Second, identify the different search engines. Third, sort right information for a given topic. Fourth, perform a search using appropriate keywords. And last, develop a skill to find information online. Let's find out what search engine is. Search engine is a service that allows internet users to search for content via World Wide Web or www. It is a tool that we can use to get information online. How are we going to use search engine? A user enters keywords or key phrases into a search engine and receives a list of web content results in the form of websites, images, videos, or other online data. Here are the common search engines. First is the Google. Google is the most commonly used search engine. It is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, the search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. Aside from the Google, we have the Yahoo, Bing, AltaVista, and Ask. To easily locate information using online search engine, let us familiarize the following steps. Step 1. Figure out what you need to know about the topic. Step 2. Select a search engine. Select and decide on what search engine you are going to use. Step 3. Use keywords. Use keywords related to the topic to prompt your search. And last is the step 4. Double-check the information. Double-check the information you find in the internet. Make sure that it came from a reliable source for the accuracy of information. Remember, do not be fooled by misinformation. Now that you have learned all those steps, I expect that you are all ready to explore and use search engines properly in answering the following tasks. Please take note of these instructions. Task 1. It's Googling time. Directions. With your internet browser, do the indicated activity on the first column. Write the information being asked on each heading. Choose one topic from the choices given below. Ebola virus, SARS or severe acute respiratory syndrome, or polio virus. First, using the search engine Google Scholar, search for a title of related studies about your chosen topic. Get only 3. Choose only the related studies under the inclusive period given below. Second, choose the latest related studies you have searched, copy the abstract or the brief summary, and paste it to a blank sheet of short band paper, double-space. And last, copy the URL of the abstract you have chosen, paste it to bibme.org search engine to get the APA format of bibliography. Paste it to another sheet of short band paper. To serve as your guide in doing task 1, watch this. Don't forget to save the file or it will be sent to your teacher as your output in Task 1. Task 2. Search our hero's book. Directions. On the internet browser, use the current search engine available. Enter in the search bar El Filibusterismo by Jose Rizal at the National Library of Australia. Click the El Filibusterismo by Jose Rizal National Library of Australia, then answer the questions that follow. To make it easier for you to do this task, see this. Next is Task 3. Who wrote the history? Directions. Type in the search engine Philippine flag history and press Enter key. Click the flag of the Philippines /Britannica. Click on See Article History and answer the 3 questions. To give you an idea on this, let's see this video. Before we move to other activities, remember all the important terms have studied in this lesson. First is the search engines. Search engines are tools used to get information. Searching through the World Wide Web or www is possible only when there is an internet connection. Among the popular search engines are Google and Yahoo. They are user-friendly and very accessible. And last is the keywords. Keywords can be names of topics, group of words you typed inside the search box. The specific your keyword is, the more precise the result of your research. To check if you really understood the lesson, answer the Check Your Understanding. Directions. Below is an image of a particular step in using a search engine. Analyze the steps and use them as your guide in answering the questions that follow. Next is the post-test. Directions. Read the statements carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on the space provided. And last is the reflection. Directions. Write a 5-sentence paragraph describing your experience in working with these search engines. Put a title on your composition. That's all for today's lesson. Have fun and enjoy learning!